for this video, I'm gonna break down 4 simple club grooves that you can do on the dance floor. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first groove is the body roll. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stand shoulder width apart, and we're just going to go left, right, and then double it up. Double, double. And so with the body roll, you start with your chest, lead to your stomach, all the way down to your hips. So let's try that again. And body roll, double it up. Body roll, double it up. And the more comfortable you get, you can go in a circle if you want. Just start moving those legs with it. Hey. And then you can add some arms if you want. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now you guys are ready to try it with the music. Shots, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm shots, I'm All right, for the second club groove, we're gonna do the cross and snap. So once again, you're gonna stand shoulder width apart, and we're gonna lean to one side, cross those arms, and then lean to the other side and open second and snap. Cross, snap, cross, snap. And to make it one step up, you're gonna add a hop to it. And go, hop, snap, cross, snap, cross, snap, cross, snap. All right, so now you're ready to try it with the music. Shots, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm All right, so for the third club groove, we're going to do the touch step. So it goes touch, step, touch, step. You're just alternating those feet. Touch, step. We're gonna add an arm coming up, and you can just cross that arm. Touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. Add both arms if you want. And touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. All right, let's try it with the music. Shots, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm All right, so for the last club groove, we're gonna do the 3-step. And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go step, 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 back, touch, reverse. Step, 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 back, touch. And now you can do whatever you want with your arms. 1, 2, 3, snap. 1, 2, 3, or clap. Keep it going. Front, back, touch, and front, back, touch. All right, let's try it with the music. Shots, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm shots, I'm All right, you guys, those are the 4 club grooves. These steps will work with a variety of different songs and tempos. And don't be afraid to add your own flair to each step and have fun with them. All right, till next time.